Hello everyone, welcome to Gadget. Imagine controlling your entire home lights, security, temperature, and energy, all from your smartphone, powered by solar energy. This isn't the future, it's happening right now. In today's video, we'll explore how smart home technology and solar power are transforming energy efficiency and home control. Smart home technology and solar, revolutionizing energy efficiency and control. Smart home technology is transforming modern living by giving homeowners greater control over their energy usage, comfort, and security. With the help of smartphones and smart devices, people can now manage lighting, temperature, appliances, and security systems from anywhere. This level of control not only improves convenience, but also helps reduce unnecessary energy consumption. When smart home technology is combined with solar energy systems, the benefits become even greater. Solar-powered smart homes allow homeowners to generate clean energy while using intelligent systems to monitor and optimize how that energy is consumed. Through real-time tracking, users can see how much power their solar panels are producing and how much electricity their home is using, making it easier to adjust usage and save on utility bills. Smart devices such as thermostats, lighting systems, and smart plugs play a key role in energy efficiency. Smart thermostats automatically adjust heating and cooling based on daily routines, while smart lighting ensures lights turn off in empty rooms. Smart plugs and appliances allow homeowners to schedule energy-intensive devices during off-peak hours or when solar power production is high. Another important advantage is energy storage. By pairing solar panels with battery systems, excess energy generated during the day can be stored and used at night or during power outages. When integrated with smart home technology, these systems provide reliable power, better energy management, and long-term savings. Overall, smart solar-powered homes represent the future of living. They offer lower energy costs, improved comfort, enhanced control, and a more sustainable lifestyle. As technology continues to advance, investing in smart home and solar solutions is becoming a practical and forward-thinking choice for homeowners around the world. Smart home technology combined with solar energy is changing the way we live, making homes more efficient, cost-effective, and future-ready. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Gadget, and share it with others who love smart technology. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.